Now let us learn types of chemical reactions. What are the different types of chemical reactions? Here I have written 5 main types of chemical reactions. First one is combination reaction. Second one is decomposition reaction. Third one is displacement reaction. Fourth one is double displacement reaction, and fifth one is oxidation reduction reactions. So these are the 5 main types of chemical reactions. So let us see the first reaction, that is combination reactions first. So the definition of combination reaction is those reactions in which two or more substances combine to form a single substance is called a combination reaction. Here two or more substances combine together to form a single substance, that is called a combination reaction. So let us write the general equation, that is A plus B gives AB. Here two substances, I have written two substances, one is A and the other one is B. These two substances combine to form a single substance AB. So this type of reaction is known as combination reaction. Let us write one example. When calcium oxide reacts with the water, calcium oxide reacts with water, produces calcium hydroxide. So this is an example of a combination reaction where calcium oxide reacts with water, produces calcium hydroxide. So we can write the chemical equation. Calcium oxide is a solid, so we can write S in bracket. Calcium oxide reacts with water is H2O, so it's a liquid, so L can be written in bracket. It produces calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide is an aqueous solution, so AQ in bracket. So in this case, a large amount of heat is produced, so we can write plus heat. So plus heat can be written with this equation. So calcium oxide reacts with water, produces calcium hydroxide, and heat is produced in this case. So calcium oxide is a solid, H2O water, that's a liquid, and it produces calcium hydroxide, that is an aqueous solution. So in this case, calcium oxide is otherwise known as lime or quicklime. So calcium oxide is otherwise known as lime or quicklime. So H2O is water and calcium hydroxide is otherwise known as slaked lime. So CaOH twice or calcium hydroxide is otherwise known as slaked lime. So quicklime or lime when reacts with water produces slaked lime. So this reaction is actually a vigorous reaction. So what are the observations when calcium hydroxide reacts with water? So the observations are, the first one is it's a vigorous reaction. It's a vigorous reaction and heat is produced in this case. Heat energy is released in this reaction. So it's an exothermic reaction. That means heat is produced in this type of reaction, that is known as an exothermic reaction. So heat is produced in this case and it is a vigorous reaction. So these are the two observations that we can see in this type of reaction, or when calcium oxide reacts with water to produce slaked lime. So in this reactions, these are the observations. So two or more substances combine to form a single substance. So that is called a combination reaction. Here calcium oxide, we can say calcium oxide is A and H2O is B. So A and B combine to form a single substance, that is AB. So AB in this case is calcium hydroxide. So two substances, here two substances are taken. So two substances combine together to form a single substance, that is called a combination reaction. We can write some more examples of this type. When carbon reacts with oxygen, produces carbon dioxide. H2 reacts with oxygen, produces water. So 2H2 plus O2 gives 2H2O. Then magnesium reacts with oxygen, produces magnesium oxide. 2Mg plus O2 gives 2MgO. Then H2 plus Cl2 gives HCl. So these are all examples of combination reactions where A plus B gives AB. So this type of reaction is called a combination reaction. Carbon and oxygen combine to form carbon dioxide, that is a single substance. Carbon is one substance, oxygen is another substance. So here A is carbon and B is oxygen and AB is carbon dioxide. Likewise, in all these cases we can see A and B, then a product AB. All these are examples of combination reactions. So this is about combination reactions.